Hi, I'm Tracy and welcome back to Sweet Bay Lane. Or if you're new, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. With fall just a month away and living here in South Florida, we love to daydream of cooler weather. And decorating our homes for fall really helps. In this video, I'm working with some gorgeous fall-inspired wood cutouts and a beaded garland from Hobby Lobby that I do not use, yes, you heard that right, do not use in its traditional form. With that said, let's go ahead and get this fall project started. Here is a glimpse of the supplies we'll be using. To begin the project, I start by dismantling one of the 3D wreath forms from the Dollar Tree. What I love most about these interesting little wreath forms is that once you dismantle them, it gives you 4 wire bases to work with. For this project, I'm using the smallest size. Now, as you see here, they have those small little washer-type metal pieces on each end. I cut one of them off, and then I cut the wire ring about 3 inches away from the remaining metal circle piece. This next step is where the beaded garland comes into action. I cut the string and I thread the beads onto the wire wreath circle. I love these particular beads because the holes are large enough to feed the wire ends inside each bead, as I'm showing you here. Once I have the beads on, I then add a bit of E6000 adhesive and I push the wire ends into the beads as far as I can until secure. To finish it, I add a touch of E6000 to the last bead on the other side. While the E6000 is drying, I move on to prepping the little wood cutouts. I stain them with my favorite gel stain by Americana in the oak. I then paint my pumpkin orange and I paint my Hello Fall white. Once they're dried, I come in and I just distress them a little bit with my sandpaper. Now that those are finished, I move back to my beaded wreath. I'm going to paint it that pumpkin orange. I'm going to come in with a little bit of sandpaper and give it some distressing. Then I'm going to follow that with a little bit of that Americana gel stain just to give it a little antique look. Once that's done and all my pieces have dried, I start assembling my project. I lay the leaves on the wreath to get an idea of how much I want them to curve, and I keep checking as I glue the cutouts together. Once the leaves are glued together, I come in and I glue the little pumpkin on top of them. I then come in and glue the Hello Fall cutout on top of the little pumpkin. And as you'll see, it is one complete piece, in which I then glue to the wreath. Now, attaching wood to the wood beads can be tricky, but to achieve a secure hold, I just come in with some cut strips of felt and I attach them around the wreath to the back side of the wooden piece. This little fall wreath is looking super cute. Now the last step, I just wanted to add a little bit of embellishment, and I'm going to do that by adding a raffia hanger and a bow. I thread a strand of raffia through the little metal circle on the top, and I finish it with a raffia bow. This wreath was so much fun to make, and I hope it inspires your creativity. I also hope it gets you excited for the upcoming fall season. Thank you so much for watching, and I want to give a huge shout out to all my subscribers. Your support means the world to me, and if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you as my new crafting friend, and I can't wait to see you all in the next video.